Welcome back to Bike Hub, riders. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic touring motorcycles in history, the Honda Goldwing. But not just any Goldwing, this is the all-new 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, a machine that pushes the boundaries of luxury touring while staying true to the legendary DNA of the Goldwing family. For decades, the Goldwing has been the benchmark for comfort, performance, and reliability on the open road. Now, Honda has taken things a step further with the GCT. Packed with futuristic technology, innovative design, and a focus on rider experience, the 2025 Goldwing GCT isn't just another touring bike, it's a glimpse into the future of long-distance motorcycling. So buckle up, or should I say, strap on your helmet, because we're going to explore everything this bike has to offer, from design to performance, comfort to technology, and why it may just redefine what it means to ride in style. Design and aesthetic. At first glance, the 2025 Goldwing GCT is unmistakably a Goldwing, yet it looks sharper, sleeker, and more refined than ever before. Honda has clearly embraced modern design cues, integrating aerodynamics with luxury styling. The front fascia features redesigned LED headlamps with adaptive cornering lights, giving the GCT a futuristic presence while improving nighttime visibility. The bodywork is sculpted for improved airflow, reducing drag and wind buffeting at highway speeds. Honda has also placed a big emphasis on customization. Riders can now choose between multiple color schemes, ranging from classic pearl whites and deep metallic blacks to bold new finishes like crimson blaze and sapphire blue. The attention to detail is staggering. Every line, every panel, and every chrome accent has been reimagined. The GCT is designed not only to look premium but to feel premium, whether you're standing next to it or riding across the country. Engine and performance. Underneath that stylish exterior, the 2025 Goldwing GCT packs serious muscle. Honda continues to rely on its legendary 1833cc flat-six engine, but for this new model, it's been refined with GCT technology, Goldwing Cross Torque. This innovation integrates hybrid assist electric torque delivery, providing instant acceleration when needed while still maintaining the silky smooth performance the Goldwing is famous for. The result is an engine that produces around 130 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque, more than enough for effortless highway cruising, steep mountain climbs, or hauling a passenger and luggage without breaking a sweat. Paired with Honda's advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT), gear changes are seamless, offering both manual control and fully automatic operation. The DCT system has been upgraded for 2025, with smarter shift mapping that adapts to your riding style, whether you're in the city, on the highway, or carving through twisty roads. Simply put, the Goldwing GCT isn't just about comfort, it's about commanding the road with authority and confidence. Ride comfort. When we talk about the Goldwing, comfort is king. And the 2025 GCT elevates rider and passenger comfort to new heights. The seat has been redesigned with ergonomic memory foam cushioning, optimized for long-distance rides. Both the rider and passenger benefit from heated and ventilated seating, making year-round touring a reality. Honda's new SmartRide suspension system adapts in real time, automatically adjusting damping based on road conditions, weight distribution, and speed. Whether you're gliding down smooth highways or tackling uneven backroads, the ride feels like floating on air. The wind protection system has also been upgraded. A fully adjustable electronic windscreen and redesigned fairing channels airflow more efficiently, reducing turbulence for both rider and passenger. Noise levels are dramatically reduced, which makes communication and enjoying music through the sound system more immersive. This isn't just a bike, it's essentially a first-class cabin on two wheels. Technology and features. Now let's talk tech, because the 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT is packed with futuristic features. Front and center, you've got a massive 12-inch full-color TFT touchscreen with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda's new Ride OS interface. This system integrates navigation, bike diagnostics, and smart controls in a seamless and intuitive way. Voice command functionality means you can control your music, calls, and even certain bike functions hands-free. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures crystal clear audio through your helmet headset. And for the audiophiles, Honda has upgraded the sound system with premium Bose speakers, delivering crisp, high-quality audio that turns every ride into a concert on wheels. But perhaps the most groundbreaking feature is Honda's AI-assisted ride pilot system. While not fully autonomous, this semi-active rider aid helps maintain lane stability, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance through radar and sensor technology. It's like having a co-pilot on long journeys, taking away some of the fatigue of highway touring. Other highlights include wireless phone charging built into the dash, smart keyless ignition, integrated GoPro and dashcam support, over-the-air software updates. The 2025 Goldwing GCT is not just a motorcycle, it's a rolling piece of tech innovation. Storage and touring capability. Of course, no touring bike is complete without serious storage options. The Goldwing GCT features larger panniers and a redesigned top box, offering a combined 55 gallons of storage space. That's enough to pack for weeks on the road without compromise. Honda has also added smart luggage integration, meaning you can unlock, monitor, and even track your luggage security via the RideOS app. Perfect for long-distance travelers who value peace of mind. The panniers are fully weather-sealed, and Honda has even added interior lighting for convenience during nighttime stops. It's these small touches that make a big difference. Safety features. Safety has always been a core focus of the Goldwing, and the GCT continues that tradition with cutting-edge upgrades. The bike comes with Honda's Enhanced Stability Assist (ESA), integrating traction control, cornering ABS, and electronic brake distribution. Combined with the AI Ride Pilot system, you've got a machine that actively works to keep you safe. For 2025, Honda has also introduced blind spot monitoring and rear collision alert, features we usually only see in luxury cars. Cameras and sensors provide real-time awareness, alerting riders to potential hazards around them. Add in adaptive LED headlights, tire pressure monitoring, and emergency call assist, and you've got one of the safest motorcycles ever built. Fuel economy and efficiency. Now, let's talk about fuel economy, something often overlooked in the touring segment. Thanks to Honda's hybrid assist system, the 2025 Goldwing GCT delivers an impressive 47 miles per gallon combined. With its 6.6-gallon fuel tank, that means over 300 miles of range on a single fill-up. This is game-changing for long-distance riders, reducing fuel stops and giving more freedom to explore open highways without constant interruptions. Price and market position. So, what's the damage to your wallet? The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT is expected to start at around $32,000, with higher trims and optional packages pushing it closer to $40,000. Yes, it's a serious investment. But when you consider the performance, comfort, technology, and reliability packed into this bike, it's hard to argue against the value. The Goldwing GCT is essentially the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles, and Honda has built it for those who demand nothing but the best. Competitors. Of course, we can't talk about the Goldwing without mentioning the competition. Bikes like the BMW K1600 Grand America and the Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited are direct rivals. While the BMW emphasizes performance and the Harley leans heavily into classic Americana touring, the Goldwing GCT strikes the perfect balance. It offers the luxury and comfort Harley fans love, with the performance and technology edge that competes with BMW. In many ways, the GCT feels like a category leader, raising the bar and forcing competitors to play catch-up. Real-world ride-in impressions. NS. Specs and features are great on paper, but how does the 2025 Goldwing GCT actually feel on the road? From rider reports and early reviews, the GCT is described as buttery smooth yet incredibly responsive. The hybrid assist torque delivery gives it effortless acceleration, while the SmartRide suspension keeps it planted and stable at all times. Riders praise the comfort, saying you can literally spend 10 hours in the saddle without fatigue. Passengers also enjoy the upgraded seating and entertainment options, making two-up touring a dream experience. The only trade-off: weight. At nearly 900 pounds fully loaded, the Goldwing GCT is no lightweight. But thanks to its low center of gravity and Honda's innovative reverse and parking assist system, maneuvering it is easier than you'd expect. The future of touring motorcycles. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just a new model, it's a statement. A statement that touring bikes can be luxurious, powerful, efficient, and packed with technology without sacrificing the soul of motorcycling. This bike represents the future of long-distance travel on two wheels. It's where performance meets comfort, where tradition meets innovation, and where dreams meet the open road. Conclusion. So, should you buy the 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT? If you're a rider who loves long-distance journeys, demands the highest level of comfort, and wants the latest technology in a motorcycle, then absolutely, this is your dream bike. It's not cheap, it's not small, and it's not for everyone. But for those who crave the ultimate touring experience, the Goldwing GCT is simply unmatched. Honda has taken a legend, reinvented it, and delivered something truly extraordinary. The 2025 Goldwing GCT is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and for many, the realization of a lifelong dream. Outro. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT. What do you think? Is this the future of touring motorcycles, or has Honda gone too far with technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and news. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.